If you want to use articles naturally, it is necessary that you feel you need them in the first place. With zero article, it's quite clear when we're talking about undefined many. A dog, dogs. A cake, cakes. But does it ever confuse you when a singular noun, such as cake, appears without article whatsoever? What about the words mind and thought, which are both countable nouns, yet sometimes, instead of saying minds or thoughts, which both contain this air of undefinedness, people simply prefer to say mind and thought to mean something undefined. How is that? Today we're going to make that distinction. My hope is that by the end of this video, you develop a felt sense of right articles. I want you to know instantaneously and exactly what zero article with singular and countable nouns means and why and when speakers need it. In the intro part, we agreed that English speakers sometimes use the words cake and thought in an article-less fashion. How come? They're both countable nouns. I do not think you'll feel any disturbance if I tell you it was a delicious cake or a thought visited me last night and it was about you. I will repeat these sentences so you can feel into the meaning of them. It was a delicious cake. A thought visited me last night and it was about you. Now let me change the sentences a little. I'm going to say a few sentences now. Feel into these sentences. Feel what the words cake and thought refer to. Now feel into the following sentences. I'm dreaming about cake. When I'm working, I don't want thought to disturb me. I'll repeat. I'm dreaming about cake. When I'm working, I don't want thought to disturb me. Now I'm going to show you these two pairs of sentences alongside each other. Feel how the words cake and thought mean slightly different things in these sentences. Don't formulate this understanding in language yet. Just feel the difference. 1. It was a delicious cake. I'm dreaming about cake. 2. A thought visited me last night and it was about you. When I'm working, I don't want thought to disturb me. Can you feel the shades of meaning that cake and thought were expressing depending on the idea they were communicating? If necessary, pause this video and really get right now, in your experience, the shades of meaning that cake and thought express in those two examples. It's not important that you formulate your understanding now. Don't verbalize it. See if you can simply notice and know on some inexpressible level that perhaps they're different. Try feeling into the following examples to spot the same distinction. 1. Ukrainian is a beautiful language. Language influences the way we think. 2. We could spend a day together sometime. I drew apart the thick, heavy curtains. It was day. 3. You are watching a video now. Video as a means of self-expression is much more popular than written blogs nowadays. So you see, in English, we can use countable nouns without articles in their singular forms. Now, let us formulate this understanding together. When a word acts as a symbol for a group of things, no article is required. In other words, when a word captures the essence of some object, perception or experience, then we do not use an article. With that example we made about language in the sentence Ukrainian is a beautiful language, like every learner will tell you, we choose to say a language because we mean one language out of many. We're introducing this language for the first time, and most importantly, we presume that languages exist as separate units in the world order, and in this sentence we're referring to one of them. Now in the second sentence, language influences the way we think. We're using language as a symbol for underlying reality that we refer to by using the name language. It acts as a general concept for everything that falls under that category, all words, grammars, lexicons, vocabularies, both comprising each single language syntaxes and those used by each individual, meanings and connotations. It's an umbrella term. To continue teaching this original, intuitive approach to language learning, it is important for me to know that we are understanding each other. For that, I need your feedback. Your ability to construct practical examples that are aligned with the content of this video are the best indication of our shared understanding. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Lilia, and this is my project Inktelligent, where I help people from all over the world to make English their own. If you would like to help me stay independent and see more content from me, you can choose to support my work on Patreon. Thank you for all your time and encouraging comments. We'll be together again very soon.